Will Trubridge is about to perform an unassisted freedive into this underwater chasm. Will must now descend 330 feet on one breath of air.
About 1:30, so you should be reaching the bottom right about now, yeah?
So he'll make his turn soon.
Will is fighting his way back 330 feet to the surface after over 2 minutes underwater. And every single movement is using up the oxygen in his blood.
So the safety diver has now gone down, and what he will do, he will meet our free diver as Will's coming up.
But Will is still hidden in the pitch dark below the rim.